Good afternoon. We're taking the Mach E today, heading up to the hardware store, and then I've got a meeting tonight with a bunch of guys. So heading up to Hendersonville. We're starting out with 273 miles of range. Says 100%, even though I told it not to go past 80, but whatever. So it's 100%, and we're gonna head up the interstate today to Hendersonville. Don't really need the navigation, but it's there, so we'll just let it do its thing and we'll get underway. Well, it looks kind of like it's spitting. I don't know if we're predicting rain tonight or what. Alright, so we're heading up to Hendersonville today. Going to take the interstate here and drive up. I can't really see where that is, but it's let's see, Hendersonville. We're going to Hendersonville, and that's our destination. We're going to stop at the Home Depot there first. Wow, look at that. Scottish breakfast place. It's completely under construction. That's about time. It's pretty old. They probably will modernize it now. Just maneuvering up here to get on Interstate 26. I'm on Interstate 26 now, headed west. But this section of it goes north and south. And we found all the trucks. This is normal here on this part of the highway. I am running Copilot 360. I think that's what they call it. I think they wanted to change the name, but I think I have the original software here in the car. I don't think I've ever had an update. Wants to ride the right lane. Come on, buddy. Yeah, cancel. No kidding. Yeah, I think it's starting to spit a little bit more here now. More trucks. This is Truck Highway. Yeah, it's starting to come down now. I was talking about this Copilot. It wants to ride right on the left line. That wouldn't be very good. There's a guardrail about a foot in from the yellow line there. See, look, it's way over on the left line all by itself, and it's whining. And it wants me to take control over it. I don't get it. Let's see if it'll even make it around this corner. No, see, it's whining that it can't figure out how to make it around the corner. Maybe the rain affected it or something, I don't know. Looks like we've driven out of the weather. That's good. At least it'll be dry here from here on out. We're getting close here now. This is Highway 64. This is our exit. We'll get off and head west. Knock off the co-pilot. I've got this thing set up for one pedal driving, so it makes it easy to drive. Yeah, this is Highway 64. It's pretty busy. You've probably seen me drive it before. Home Depot's right here, past the Hardee's. And we'll pull in there and go pick up my stuff. And then we'll take the back roads to the meeting place here. We'll go find a nice vacant spot out here. Where are we going? All right, you go there, I'll go here. We're good. Yeah, this is inside a Home Depot now. Of course, this is one of my favorite aisles, the electrical aisles. I don't know why. I just like electric stuff, I guess. Let's see, what am I looking for? They got everything. If you like tools, they've got an excellent supply of Klein tools. Klein tools are really, really good quality tools. Screwdrivers, stuff like that. I've got a bunch of them, and they're just super handy. Especially these all-in-one tools. You have a bunch of different options. Those are really handy. Yeah, if you're looking for black tape, which of course it's used for everything, 3M makes probably the best tape. They used to have what was called tape that was pretty cheap. It was like 60 cents a roll, and it was really good quality, and then the prices went up. And then they got some competition with Commercial Electric, which is Chinese, but I will tell you, if you're wrapping up cables and junk like that where you need black tape but you don't need any kind of serious black tape job, this stuff's good. Comes at $8 or 10, so it's 80 cents. This is $5.45, so this is just $1.05 or something. I'm gonna buy some because you always use black tape. If anyone ever asks you what is black tape good for, tell them everything. Yeah, here it is. Here's what I was looking for. These are the electronic tools that Klein's makes. It's really good stuff, good quality. Gotta find what I'm looking for now. But it's usually a good thing. When I used to work in the telephone industry, these scissors were normal standard issue for Bell Telephone. And you could tell they were good if you could cut a penny in half, a copper penny. And these are that quality here. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so look what I found. 1450 females. If you have an EV, you know what that is. Yeah, these are the ones that I make the adapters. This is one side of the adapter, and then I choose some oddball plug to plug into the oddball 240 volt thing here. I can't find what I'm looking for here. I'll get my tape in my bucket. Gotta get going. Meeting will start soon. Yeah, I usually park out here and usually gets a lot of attention, as you can see. These guys in this F350 pulled up and we talked a little bit. They didn't really realize that the Mach E was all electric. They thought maybe it had an engine. I gave them the specs and told them a little bit about it. It's kind of cool. All right, well, I'm headed to the meeting. I'm gonna get navigated out of the parking lot here. I ended up getting myself a Home Depot bucket and that roll of tape. There's 5 rolls there. I was looking for a specific tool which couldn't find. I guess I'll have to check online or something, not sure. Getting close to our meeting now, so I'll check back with you guys after the meeting. Just leaving the meeting here now in Hendersonville. Actually heading over to Richard's. He's got some stuff going, so I'm heading over there now. Visit with him a little bit since his back has been hurt and he's kind of laid up and not doing anything. Thought I'd go visit with him a little bit. I got out of my meeting here a little early, so heading there now. Just going down 176, and what are we passing? My favorite Mexican restaurant here, El Paso. Just got off 176, kind of taking a shortcut here. It heads over to, get out of the way. Little bird. I missed him. Probably a new bird. Didn't know really where to go. This is a shortcut here that bisects between 176 and Upward Road, kind of at a diagonal. And we're here at 26. We're gonna go across. Richard lives 5 miles or so down here. Apples and lots more apples. Hendersonville is known for apples. Over on this side, there is tons of apples here too. It's a big crop here in North Carolina and Hendersonville, apples. All right, I am heading home. I visited with Richard. He's feeling a little bit better. I think his back is on the mend. All right, car started and head down the road here. All right, so these are off. These are on. These are off. These are on. These are off. These are on. That's not bad lights. The co-pilot's working good tonight. Just going down the Saluda grade here. I am home. 222 miles, 82% left in the battery here. Hey, I'd like to thank you for watching today. It was kind of a short video, but at least it shows that the Mach is very capable of getting you around town. Did my errands, went to my meeting, and went and visited Richard. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging that is good worldwide. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.